As we wrap up here in the first session with Trial Tracker, I think kind of set the stage for moving forward. And the next phase obviously is going to be planting and, making sure all our prescriptions show up into our FieldView account or our tractor monitors. And so I think we should probably be getting back together as we get closer to that season, don't you think?
Yeah, absolutely. There's always going to be that final little tweak that we're going to have to make it make sense. Who knows, maybe we get a different seed at the last minute. We might have to make a change a little bit. So we'll definitely be flexible, but I'm looking forward to getting together again and really bringing to life the ideas that we've got now and showing them all the way through the growing season and through harvest on how we can bring these trials to life through FieldView.
Be sure to follow along with us, subscribe, and hopefully you guys can learn something about the research farm and how FieldView can help you execute some of this yourself.